Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Magical for beginners. So as you can see here on my tab, I'm on the Magical profiles. It is for testing. As you can see here, you have other profiles like this, Hot Diani. You can see their contacts here, full name, first name, last name, Alphaba here, Head of Student Affairs. You can click on here and you can see its full name, last name, title, job title, current company. So let's try to use it on a real situation. For example, here on Bill Gates. As you can see here, I can click this shortcut. And here, if you click on this, you will get about him, company name, full name, first name and last name, headline, job title, URL, school name. You can click any information here like this followers and you can add a name here of what type of info is that. You can save it and here it is added that he has a 36 million followers. If you want to go back, simply go back there. You can add it to a new spreadsheet, add new candidate to greenhouse. You have other templates here. You can see you can go back home here. And here's your home. Then you can create a template by clicking on this one. And that's basically it.